Have you ever wondered how you can earn passive income online? Well, Google AdSense might be the answer you're looking for. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of Google AdSense, where we'll be exploring how to transform your online presence into a money-making platform. So stay tuned as we unravel strategies and tips that can kickstart your earning journey with Google AdSense. Our first stop in this journey is understanding what Google AdSense is. It's a program that allows you to earn money by displaying targeted ads on your website or blog. The magic begins when these ads are clicked or viewed by your visitors, translating into earnings for you. Now, to qualify for Google AdSense, there are certain criteria your website or content must meet. It's essential that your content is original, valuable to your audience, and complies with AdSense policies. Developing AdSense-friendly content is a critical step in this journey. Once you've ensured your content is up to par, the next step is setting up Google AdSense. The sign-up process is straightforward, but the strategy you employ for ad placement can significantly impact your revenue. Striking a balance between maximizing revenue and maintaining a positive user experience is key. Now, with AdSense set up, your focus should shift to optimizing your earnings. This involves creating high-quality content, using keywords strategically, and monitoring your performance through AdSense analytics. Remember, the quality of your content and the right usage of keywords can significantly boost your earnings. However, while optimizing, it's important to avoid common mistakes that could lead to policy violations. Being aware of these pitfalls and understanding how to rectify them can save you from unnecessary headaches down the line. Additionally, enhancing user experience for mobile devices and ensuring fast-loading websites can further optimize your AdSense performance. Another essential aspect of increasing your AdSense revenue is driving more traffic to your content. Utilizing effective traffic generation techniques can amplify your earnings. Moreover, diversifying your revenue streams can complement your AdSense earnings and provide a more stable income. As we wrap up, keep in mind that success with Google AdSense doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, effort, and adherence to policies. By creating quality content and implementing smart strategies, you can gradually increase your earnings and reap the benefits of this platform. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on maximizing your online income. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep earning.